Sharda Cropchem reported earnings, and I've got Mr. Bubna joining us right now. Mr. RV Bubna is CMD at Sharda Cropchem on a phone line. Mr. Bubna, good morning. Good to have you with us here, sir. The numbers were disappointing. I guess top line was down about 11% year on year. Can we just address that first? What happened on the top line?
Sir, this is all a result of exchange rate fluctuations. The economies of many countries suffering because of the serious devaluation of their currencies. Our volumes have in fact grown by 8%, and the volumes in the European Union have grown up by almost 34%. But it's all because of the depreciation of the currencies of countries like Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, South Africa, Canada. All the countries you mentioned, they have gone down. Actually, our business is as robust as it was last year. And our gross margin percentage have also retained the same. But the quantity-wise sales have also grown up.
Can you quantify what is the Forex impact?
Forex impact will be around 6 to 7%, sir.
So your top line would have been higher by 6 to 7% had it not been for the Forex?
Yes, sir.
Right.
And as I have told you, quantity-wise, we have grown by about 6 to 7% in this quarter.
Which is volume, right?
No, in terms of quantities, that is kilograms and liters.
Yeah, volume, yes. So you buy from China and then sell it to European countries, right? That's the business model.
We buy from China and we sell to about 70 countries around the globe. European countries are forming about 50% or 55% of our total volume.
Yes. Okay. So, margins went up. You said gross margins are higher and EBITDA margins are also up, about 300 basis points or so.
Margins were slightly higher compared to in the same quarter in the last year, percentage-wise. But at the same time, we have, as a strategy, curtailed our sales to many problematic geographies like Argentina and all the Latin America. As a part of the strategy, we have reduced our sales to the Latin American countries, and that reduction is almost about 30 to 35%. And that has improved the quality of our business. We have also been able to hedge our sales against the currency risks and all the other things. Receivables are also in a very good condition.
Latin America, when you say you've curtailed sales, that is again because of Forex. I mean, their currency is depreciating and that may be affecting purchasing power.
We find that the distributors are suffering because of this depreciation because they are all buying in dollars, and most of these countries, they sell their products into local currencies. So we foresee if they buy from us at say an X exchange rate, by the time it comes to repaying back to us, the exchange rate could be even 0.7 of what they bought from us. So these kind of exchange rate variations are very heavy for them. So as a part of strategy, we decided to make less offerings. We decided to sell less into those geographies and those countries.
Same thing, currency depreciation is happening for...
Yes, sir.
Right, no, I'm saying the same depreciation is happening in the Eurozone as well, right? I mean, so that also, there also demand can get impacted.
It can, but the fact is that our volumes have increased because of the bigger penetration into the European Union. But at the same time, since the euro-dollar exchange rate is also unfavorable, we are suffering in terms of profits.
Right. So you said this quarter, Q2 over Q2 of last year, volume growth was 6%. H1, what is the number now? Volume? Volume growth?
Volume growth was about 6 to 8%. For agrochemicals, the volume growth is about 8% and odd. Overall volume growth is about 6% and odd. And this difference between 8 and 6 is because of the non-agrochemicals, which are also, for the same reason, we have curtailed our sales.
So full year, you were talking about 15 to 20%, right? Full year volume growth.
No, full year volume growth, I'm talking about the volume growth of this quarter, not the full year.
No, I got it. I'm saying for the full year, last time when we had spoken, you were guiding between 15 and 20% growth. 16
Yes.
over 15. So
Yeah,
now,
right.
yeah, so now where would that number, where would you see that number? Significantly lower?
It would be, I would say, it will be significantly lower. It could be 4-5%, or it could be at par.
Sorry, it could be 4-5% or what? I missed that.
It could be 4-5% growth for the full year as compared to the year 2015, March 2015. But this will all depend upon the performance and the situations in the fourth quarter of our fiscal year 15-16. The fourth quarter of our fiscal year is the most crucial and most important quarter for us.
No, is it possible that there is no volume growth at all? Is that also a possibility?
Volume growth would be there, but the revenue growth is in question mark.
So I mean, fiscal 15 revenue growth was about 1,060 crores or so. So it's possible that that remains the same.
It could remain the same.
And you said volume growth could be 4-5%, right?
The volume growth would be, no, not 4-5%. Volume growth should be about 10%, or it could be 10 to 15%.
Okay. No, the 4-5% number that you were saying, you were talking about revenues, is it?
4-5%, yeah, I was talking about the revenue, yes.
Okay, so thank you for that clarification. I thought, fair enough. So you're saying that 16 volume growth should come in, could be 10 to 15%, lower than what you saw it coming in earlier when the last time we spoke. Revenues, though, it's possible, could grow 4-5%. They could also not grow at all. They could be at the 15 level overall.
It all depends upon the exchange rates of all these geographies versus dollar. And that is fairly unpredictable.
Right. No, I mean, as exchange rates settle lower, if there is no further depreciation or volatility, shouldn't demand come back? I mean, currency, when it adjusts lower, that kind of becomes the new normal then, right?
You see, these exchange rates have multiple effects on the economies of these countries. These exchange rates are also guided by the commodity prices, crude oil prices. Like say Canada is suffering because of the crude oil prices having gone down. That is their important factor. So is the case with Mexico and some other countries. Now, this will be dependent upon the prices of commodities and exchange rates. If the exchange rates remain the same as it is there in this quarter, then we should be able to grow about 4-5% in revenue.
Yeah. Okay, got it, sir. Thank you very much. Great speaking with you, Mr. Bubna.